Today in this video we will see what to do if your iPhone has a stock in dark mode, even if you have restarted your iPhone number of times. So what you need to do is you need to go to settings here, go to this option display and brightness. So at first confirm that you have not selected dark mode, you have selected light mode. Once you have confirmed, go back and you have to go to this option accessibility, open it and go to this option display and text size. Here make sure that you have not enabled this option smart invert. If you have enabled, disable this option. Similarly, go to classic invert and disable this option if you have enabled it. After that, the other thing that you will do is you have to go to settings again, go to this option general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, select reset and select this option reset all settings. Now you have to enter the passcode of your iPhone, and then if I select this option reset all settings, the settings of your iPhone will be changed. No data will be deleted, but the password of Wi-Fi will be removed, so you have to re-enter the password again. And if you have arranged the icons on the home screen of your iPhone in a certain order, then you have to rearrange it again. Now after you have reset your iPhone, the other thing that you can do is you can update your iPhone software. Go to settings, go to general, go to software update. The iPhone will check if there is any update available, and if there is update present, you can update your iPhone. Sometimes there might be a glitch in the software which can be fixed by updating your iOS software.